Caroline County Recreation and Parks Rec to Go boxes. In our Pom Pom Mania kit this month, you'll receive 2 skeins of yarn, a Pom Pom Maker kit with 4 size Pom Pom makers, as well as all of the tools and accessories you'll need to create some really cool stuff. A few examples you can see are the animals that I made. I have a hedgehog and a polar bear. I have this really wild, funky scarf that's so much fun, as well as a wall hanging to decorate my bedroom. So to make your pom-poms, step 1, you'll open up the pom-pom maker, pulling all 4 arms out straight. Step 2, holding the maker and the end of your yarn in one hand, wind the yarn around 1 pair of arms. Be sure to wind evenly back and forth and stop when the yarn is even with the straight part of the arms on that side. Step 3, close the arms on the side that you have filled up and move the yarn to the other pair of arms as shown. Wind the yarn evenly around this set of arms, stopping again when the bottom curve is filled. Step 5, close that side as well and cut your yarn. Using a small pair of scissors, cut along each half of the maker as shown below. You should be able to use the grooves of the maker to guide your scissors. A few tips for making the cutting easier is to be sure to use the tips of your scissors, to take your time and cut through a few strands of yarn at a time. You'll go all the way around each half. Step 6. Cut a 12-inch length of yarn and wrap it around the maker. Tie a knot 2 times and pull it as tightly as you can. The knot should slip down between the pieces of the maker. Step 7. Open up the arms of the maker and pull the halves apart to release the pom-pom. Step 8. Trim off any extra long bits of yarn and enjoy your new pom-pom. I can't wait to see what you make with your Pom Pom Mania kit.